any two adjacent parallel is 111 kilometers on the surface of the earth. How much? The two adjacent parallel is 111 kilometer on the surface of the earth. Okay, the distance between two adjacent meridians is also the same, that is 111 kilometer on the equator. If you will see the equator, we are having the same 111 kilometer. Okay, as we started moving towards the north pole, we are having 90-degree. Okay, and here in this we are having on the Tropic of Cancer, you can see 102 kilometers written. Same it is there in the southern side, Tropic of Capricorn, 102 kilometer. Okay, as in equator it is 111 kilometers. The place within the distance of 111 kilometer exactly, we have to divide the unit degree into in smaller units. The distance which is there as in 111 kilometer exactly, we have to divide this degree. Now this we have to divide it into an degree. So we have divided into an degree of a smaller unit. Okay, smaller unit degree. So we have given the 0 degree. Clear? The degrees are divided into, now the degrees are divided into again in minutes and minutes into the seconds. Now here clock. Yes, for reading the clock, what we have to do is we have to see the hour, then the clock, minutes, where is the minutes, where is the second hand. Yes, we for reading the clock we used to see, right? The similar here, the degrees, for reading the degrees, now degrees are divided into minutes into the seconds. Using the latitude and the longitude are expressed into the degrees, minutes and seconds. Now for reading any latitude and longitude together, we need to read it with the degrees as well as minutes and the seconds. Now each degree is divided into 60 minutes and a minute into 60 seconds. These values shown with using the symbols. Now symbol, children, what is the symbol, sign and the symbols? Yes, when we enter in the mall, okay, when we enter in the mall, we used to find out, if we wanted to find out anything, what we used to do? We used to see the sign, yes, sign of a washroom, okay, sign of a play area, sign of where you have to eat food. So these are the signs or the symbols we go through to when we enter in the mall or any huge place. Okay, so these are the signs and the symbols. When you will go in the higher class, you will be having about the symbols and the signs. For here I am giving you just an example of it so that you can understand what is the symbol. Now symbols of the degree, you know, it is written as a small zero kind of, that is their degrees. Then minutes are written in a single inverted comma. Minutes are written in a single inverted comma. Then the seconds are written in the double inverted comma. This is for the reading, so that the next time when I'll tell you to read, okay, you should be reading with these symbols. Now how you have to read this, for example, if I'll give, see the picture here, if you will see the Tropic of Cancer. Okay, so we will be reading as Tropic of Cancer lies in 23 degree 26 minutes north. because here minute sign is also given. So we will be reading it with the minutes. If it will be double inverted comma, then we will be reading as seconds. Okay. Then we will be, yes, now it is the graticule. If you will remember the same picture in the beginning of the chapter we have seen. Okay. Graticule. Now we are coming in the end of the chapter, that is the graticule. The graticule is what now we have to look it properly. Okay. So the parallels and the meridians on the globe form a net that is called the graticule. Now children, in the picture you can see a net is formed now. In that net we are having the parallels and the meridians both, and we form a net. How we are having a net for the mosquitoes, for catching the fish from the sea and the oceans. In the same way for the earth, now it's an imaginary net. It is not exactly on the earth, it's an imaginary. With the scientists, with the geographers, they have found this net kind. This net is for location of a place. This net they are making because of finding out the location of a place. The second point, it is written, this helps us in defining the location on a place. Thus, we use latitude and longitudes for defining the location on the earth. This method is being used even in this modern age quite efficiently. In today's scenario, in this age also, modern age, we are using it. Ancient time they were not using it so much, but now we are using it more. Why? To reach in a particular place, we used to write the destination. Okay, I'll give you the example here. The methods used for finding a particular place. Students, methods used for finding a particular place is, what is GIS? GIS is an geographical information system. If we want to find out any particular thing about on the earth, what is happening, okay, we can go to this GIS and we can find out about any maps. Okay, where is the apps and all, where it is, then where the analysis data software satellites, or how they are working, all this we can get it from the geographical what is the full form of GIS? Is geographical information system. Okay, the next is GPS. GPS is global positioning system. What is global positioning system? With the help of the satellites, now where we wanted to reach. Okay, in the car we are having the one small kind of a mobile type of a thing that is showing you there. You have to write only the destination, and that particular device is going to tell you which direction you have to take, whether you have to take east side, west side, how you have to go, the direction. It used to show the direction. Okay, the next one, in the mobile, you must have seen this kind of thing in your mobile also, where you wanted to go somewhere. This we used to on, okay, map, and we get the exact location, like how we have to travel, whole journey, how we have to travel, you will come to know. So what we get, we have to write in that Wikimapia. Now Wikimapia is one more thing. It is there in your mobile, and it is there in your laptop also. You can use it many device. It is now there. There you have to write the place. You have to only write the place, and it is going to search, and you will get the information about it. Same for the map. If you wanted to find out any map of any particular area, you can find it out in a Wikipedia this Wikipedia. Okay, it is a satellite which gives all the information about it. Next is the Bhuvan. Now this is Bhuvan is the Earth observation data, products and services. This is the scientist, yes, has found it out about the Bhuvan. Bhuvan um is an institute, okay, Indian Space Research Organization, ISRO. Okay, it showcase what we are getting from this. We are getting from this satellite, we are getting the information about the social group, about the villages, how many villages we have, about the common man, what all how in a society, right, where it is society, these all we are getting with these satellites. Okay, the same one more work is done by the satellites only, that is the Indian Regional Navigational Satellite System, that is IRNSS. This satellite is also working for what? For getting the information of a particular place with their exact position and exact boundary. It gives the exact boundary of a place or any information of any position we wanted to find out of a place. Okay, children, here we have finished with the chapter.